What's up guys, welcome to another video of Fires Built, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to change your discs on your taquache ass truck, just like mine. It's over there, see that? Oh yeah, and hopefully everybody is safe and sound and hasn't gotten the coronavirus at all. You know, gotta stay safe, healthy, active. But other than that, let's go check out the brakes. So these are the rotors I'm gonna be putting or installing, whatever you guys wanna say it. Check these bad boys out. They're pretty heavy and thick. And the brake pads. So yeah, I already have it up, and yeah, it just has like stock rotors. I'll be installing the hardware, the same one it has, because this didn't bring any, and I'm gonna be only putting the fronts because the back ones I want to change them to discs, but they're drums right now, so I'm already gonna start. Alright, so once you have it up, I'm gonna be taking off this nut right here, you guys can see, and this one. Oh, they're different. What the? Anyways, this one and this one. So I can take off this, and then we're gonna take off this one right here, and this one up here. So we can take off the bracket and then change the disc, because this is a fucked up disc already. My bad guys, but you know, came out. So let's get to it. This is a 17, and I believe the backside is a 17 too, or 18. It's an 18. So just so you guys can see, and if it's, so it's an 18 back here and the 17 right here. So let me change them so you guys can see. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, this one was spinning, and I just used the 19 wrench on it, and then this one was a different size. I don't know what's going on with this truck, but I might order just the whole like caliper and bracket and everything, the whole setup, because it's weird right now. So yeah, basically that's it. But if you guys have something similar, let me know. If not, then just let me know if my setup is like kind of wrong, because I know it is wrong. It has two different sizes of bolts on it, and then as you guys can see, let me see, the top one is short and the bottom one is longer threads, and I don't know what's going on. So yeah, so anyways, it should be the same setup for you guys right here. So let's get to the other one. Let's keep going. guys, so to take off the bracket, you're gonna use a breaker bar because the bolts were like stuck in there, and this one gave me a good a good push, and this one was kind of easy. But even with the breaker bar, this one was kind of hard to like take it off, but you guys get the idea. And then there you have everything off, and then you just need this, and then just, you see how easy it was to pop out right now? Well, that's how easy it's gonna come out. So let's put this in the ground, and then let's look at the other one. What you want to do is clean the hub, so I might just brake clean. And then just use a brush using copper, which is a bad idea, I guess. But this is like all the brake hub because it's all messed up. Look at that. Can't even take it off. Hold up. It's whatever's for now. I'm thinking of changing like the whole suspension once I lower it, so I might get a new hub at the same time. You guys can hear that? Sounds alright. For the rotor, you want to clean it also with some brake clean. Yes, see that? Brake clean. Spray on the outer part. And I'm blind already because it's too reflective. It's like hitting on my eyes, on my green eyes. And then you want to do it on the other side too. And I'm super blind. Guys, my blue eyes is can't see no more. So now what you want to do is add some copper anti-seize right here on this, just a tiny bit, you know, right here, so that it won't get stuck. and then you use one of these to hold it in place. Let's see if it goes all the way in. Go, 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 Johnny, go. No, no, it doesn't want to go, and it did. Home run. So after here, you're already at this step. You just want to turn the wheel or the rotor going that way, so you guys could put everything back how it was. Just be careful with this because it then moves once you turn this. Ask me how I know. Anyways, you're gonna just repeat the whole process how you took it off. You're just gonna put it back all the way how it is, and I just put this so you can hold it in place so it's not going anywhere, you know. That way you can put your bracket and then your caliper and then anything else. So yeah, it's pretty much simple, and that's it. And then you're just gonna, if you're gonna change your brake pads, it's basically like that too. Since you guys are, some of you are in quarantine, you know, work on your cars, do something, it's fun. So let's get to it. So this guide pin right here is stuck. Like you guys saw in the video, I was like trying super hard to take it out, but it's really stuck in there. It might have seized in there. This one did came out pretty easy, so I'm just gonna replace this or go to the junkyard and find me one, and then just replace the boots and the guide pins on the bracket I find over there. And then for this, I'm just gonna rebuild it because they look messed up, so I'm gonna get a new pistons and then new boots, and pretty much that's it. And yeah, so it's like a budget right there, you know. So yeah, and I might paint them later on, not today, but once I go back to work so I can sandblast it and then just paint it and everything. So for now I'm just gonna keep it like that. It won't do any damage right now, since I'm just gonna have it right here. I'm not gonna be driving like far or like to work or anything right now, so just to keep it right here is fine. Alright guys, so I already finished. That's basically it. I know I did some stuff that I'm not supposed to do, and I know you're supposed to put a thread locker on the bolts, which you guys should. I'm just didn't do that because I'm gonna be taking it off like maybe tomorrow once I get the bracket at the junkyard. Well, actually, that's a lie. I'm gonna go get the one at the junkyard, the bracket, but I'm gonna order the boots and the guide pins like right now in a bit, and just wait for it. And I'm gonna leave the truck just sitting on the side, so not in the middle of the driveway, but like you know, on the side. So lo voy a poner ahí al lado. But yeah guys, that's basically what you do, and just torque it down. You can find the torques on your owner's manual or online. People posted already, you know. You could just torque it down, torque this down, and basically that's it. I am gonna torque them down, just I didn't do it because I'm gonna be basically taking this off, and then I don't know, I'm thinking of replacing this one too, or just order the bolts or get them at the junkyard too. But yeah, I'm ordered to rebuild it also. I forgot that I was gonna rebuild this one, so I'm gonna rebuild this one and make it good. And basically that's it. And then you do the others. You do this on the other side, and it's the same thing, basically the same thing for your brake pads and the rotors. But yeah, just a few sockets here and there. I know it looks like a mess, but it doesn't even look much. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done on the other side, so I can test the brakes on this. So alright guys, so I'm already done, so you guys check that out. Look at that. And then I added the spike lug nuts also, so check that out. I just need to paint the calipers so they can look cleaner. Look at that. I mean, it's something. Not the best, I mean, truck, but it's going there, you know. Something is better than nothing. And I just gotta fix that. It's just the bracket that's messed up. So on this side had the two bolts that were 19. So on this one has the bolt that's wrong on one of them. So I'm gonna try to see if I can find it at the junkyard, and with the bracket, then order the guide pins, the boots for both of them. Let me know in the comments if I did anything wrong or if it was helpful. Alright guys, let me know in the comments if you want to see the caliper rebuild, pistons and boots, and then if you guys want to see it also get sandblasted and painted. Let me know in the comments. I'm thinking of doing that, so with the whole bracket. Let me know. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, stay tuned for more. I'm basically trying to build this the truck, which I'm gonna try to lower more to the ground and do the whole kit, you know, the whole kit. And I also got a Mustang GT, which I'm gonna be fixing. If you guys want to see that also, stay tuned. I'm about to get it. I'm gonna tell you guys the price, how much I got it for, and what's wrong with it, and how many miles and all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Make sure to subscribe, and let me know anything else you guys want to see on the truck. Alright guys, let me know if anything else you guys want to see. I got a Mustang GT, which I'm gonna be fixing, all that stuff. If you guys want to see that, let me know. If you guys want to see more on the truck, let me know. How to replace I'm gonna try to replace the fuel pump and some evap systems, cause I got the check engine light. If you guys want to see anything else, let me know. This truck I gotta fix like from bottom and up, since it's like 2005, but it's like way messed up. So yeah, let me know if anything else you guys have in mind. If it's a Silverado, let me know. You know, I'll try to do it. And yeah, that's it guys. So peace.